Hello and welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is the Mercedes C63S AMG we've been working on. So I'd just like to show you the installation that we've carried out. So what we've installed here is the Vodafone Automotive, otherwise known as Cobra Category 5 tracker. This is an insurance approved system. These are your ADR tags. So what these are, ADR stands for Advanced Driver Recognition. So without these tags present in the vehicle, when the vehicle is started, it will send an alert to the main office, and also the customer will get a call, and it will also trigger an alert on the customer's phone. This is an insurance approved system, so it's the highest rating that you can go for. We're insurance approved installers, so we've all been Category 5 trained, and also Category 6, and all the categories for that matter. So there's nothing obviously visible at all. These ADR tags must be present. You get supplied with this number here, so you've got all your details with your helpline there as well. That also is now accessible through the application on your phone. It's called My Connected Car. It's a really good system, really nice equipment. We found that it's one of the best on the market for vehicle tracking. Obviously insurance approved as well. You really need a great product, great installation to match a vehicle like this. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or anything, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. I'll be putting a link below on this video straight down to our direct page that we've got allocated to the Protect and Connect Category 5 tracker, just so you can have a bit more information about it, see the features, and there's also downloadable PDFs on that site as well. So thank you very much for watching, and look forward to, please don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you.